Hey guys, just giving you a quick update for the shop. We've been super busy trying to get the Jeep project and some other stuff taken care of, getting it done. And I appreciate all the support. I was gonna try to do a 5,000 sub giveaway on my channel, but it already passed 10,000 subs. It's crazy, and that's amazing. Thank you guys. I can't say enough about all the support we have on the channel and everything. I think it's really cool on YouTube to support other channels. So what I want to do is I want to do a quick shout out for another channel, and then I'm going to try to do some filming today in the shop, doing some metal work and stuff like that. There's a channel called Sobering Restoration Services, and they're out of Canada, and it's Dave and Jeff. They're a bunch of goofballs in Canada. They're hilarious. They got a badass channel though. Go check them out. They do like they just did a burnout and stuff and put a clutch in a 57 Chevy the other day. And that was a really cool video. You guys got to watch that. I think Jeff drives better than Dave though. The 57 they put in, it's got like a 4-speed, and they had to replace the clutch and whatever because they were at a burnout contest and blew out the clutch. But it cracks me up. But they got a really good channel, and then they, like I said, they're in Canada, and they have this. When you go to the channel and you sub their channel or whatever, tell them Arco said hi, and then. Go through their videos and whatever, but they have this deal where if you're from, Russia or China or, California or wherever, they have this deal where it's a big state and country map on their wall, and they'll put a push pin on that spot where they're from. Somebody's coming in. But anyways, really cool channel. So go have them put, give them your area of where you're from, and have them put your push pin in the spot that you're from, and go say hi and support their channel and check them out. The other one is go check our other channel, NZ Mopar Glenn Rid. Go check his channel out. He's got some badass stuff too. Does metalworking and whatever. And right now he's in New Zealand. He's headed our way. He'll be here in Minnesota real soon if everything goes right. I hope everybody's staying healthy and happy and everything. And thanks so much for watching and supporting the channel. Go check out Sobering Restoration. Later.